Welcome to this Japanese massage-inspired relaxation session focused on improving comfort and ease in shoulder mobility. This video creates a calm, spa-like atmosphere using slow rhythm, gentle flow, and mindful awareness inspired by traditional Japanese bodywork philosophy. The intention is relaxation and support, not forceful movement or medical treatment. Stiff shoulders and limited mobility often come from long hours of sitting, stress, or repetitive daily activities. In this session, soft and intentional movements encourage the shoulders to feel lighter and more free. As you watch and listen, allow your breathing to slow and your upper body to relax naturally. A calm nervous system can help the body release unnecessary tension. This video is ideal for post-work relaxation, quiet breaks, meditation, or evening wind down. There is nothing you need to follow or perform, simply rest and enjoy the gentle flow. Let go of tightness and pressure and enjoy this moment of care inspired by Japanese massage traditions. May this session help your shoulders feel relaxed, balanced, and comfortably mobile.